We interrupt our programming. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties: Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Cleveland, Delaware, Hughes, Johnston, Kay, Latimer, LaFleur, Lincoln, Marshall, McIntosh, McCartan, Muskogee, Noble, Okmulgee, Okfuskee, Osage, Ottawa, Payne, Pontotoc, Pottawatomie, Pittsburgh, Seminole, Sequoia, Tulsa, Washington, and Wagoner. Freezing rain is expected to continue across eastern Oklahoma for at least the next 24 to 36 hours, as well as extremely high wind chills of 30 miles per hour at a temperature of minus 26 degrees. Frostbite can occur within minutes. All residents are discouraged from venturing outside or driving unless it is absolutely necessary. Ice accumulation is expected to be extremely high on roads, with low visibility. At least a half-inch of ice is expected on roadways. If you must travel, keep an emergency kit in your vehicle, which includes a battery-powered radio, flashlight, non-perishable food, water, glove warmers, and a fully charged cell phone in the event that you are stranded. Snow accumulation of 6 to 12 inches is expected. If you must go outside, wear thick, layered clothing and go indoors periodically. Power outages are already being reported in some areas. If you experience a power outage, do not use a space heater indoors. Fire or carbon monoxide poisoning can result. If you are not at home, seek a warm shelter as soon as possible. Use a battery-powered radio to stay informed of weather conditions. This warning is in effect until 12 a.m. Central Standard Daylight Time. Please stay tuned to local weather stations for further updates. We interrupt our programming. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a severe ice storm warning for all of eastern Oklahoma. Conditions have worsened over the eastern half of the state. OG&E has reported that over 1 million customers are without power, and EMSA has responded to over 100 ice storm-related emergencies, including at least a dozen house fires and traffic accidents over the past 12 hours. Several deaths have already been reported. Efforts to defrost the roads and power lines have been largely unsuccessful. All residents are urged to stay indoors and refrain from traveling unless it is an emergency. Stay away from frozen tree branches, lakes, and ponds. Never use a space heater indoors. You risk a fire or carbon monoxide poisoning if you do. Shelters have been set up across the state. Contact your local authorities for location.